Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Subaru Impreza headlight. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket wrench and the correct H11 replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set before starting any work. Next, open the hood and identify the headlight assembly that needs attention. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's get that old headlight out. You'll find two 10mm bolts holding the top of the headlight assembly in place. Go ahead and remove those. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire assembly forward. It's held by a few clips, so a firm but careful tug should release it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling it free. With the assembly out, replacing the bulb is straightforward. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from its housing. When handling the new H11 bulb, be sure to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, then twist it clockwise until it clicks securely into place. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting clips, making sure it's seated correctly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier to secure it. Test your new headlight to confirm it works. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.